Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily insert the Philippine Peso symbol into a Microsoft Word document. We will cover two simple methods, so you can choose the one that works best for your workflow. Let's start with the fastest method, the keyboard shortcut. Open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the symbol to appear. Type the number 2, 0, the letter B, and the number 1. That is 2, 0, B, 1. Now highlight those 4 characters. With the text highlighted, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and press the letter X. The text will instantly convert into the peso symbol. If you prefer using the menu, the second method is for you. Go to the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. On the far right, click on Symbol, then select More Symbols from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear. Make sure the font is set to normal text. Next, look for the subset drop-down and change it to currency symbols. You will see the peso symbol in the list. Click on it and then click Insert. And that's it. 2 quick and easy ways to type the peso symbol in Microsoft Word. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.